Hello creative people and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you how I made my Gucci inspired bikini. So let's start with this video. The first step as always is the pattern. If you want me to create this pattern, please comment below and I would love to create this pattern. It's really easy. Once you have the pattern, the first step is to place the pattern on the fabric, measure 1 centimeter for the sewing and cut out all of the pieces. Here I'm using two different fabrics because I have plotter that I would like to place on this beautiful tulle that I have underneath, and this tool is more just to make more structure into my stretchy fabric that I have as a inner lining. Once you have all of the pieces, you are going to try to connect them all of, and of course you're starting with the middle part between the legs. You're sewing these two pieces together and then you're sewing the same thing for the face fabric and placing it one above the other. Once you're playing with two fabrics, for me the biggest step is to actually just sew everything with I had nude thread, and then I cut all of the pieces and I added my black trim that actually covered all of the lines. This is something that you will end up with. Of course, you can also add a cotton piece of fabric between the legs to cover that intim area, but for me I use actually the same fabric as the inner lining. The second step is, of course, you're moving on to the front piece, which is the bikini top. You're doing exactly the same steps, super easy. Just cut out the fabric, sew it with nude color, and then cut out and then add the trim on the top. For me, I didn't want to make it more complicated than it is, you know. So I did only just sew all the way around and had the bands with the same trim, and that was it. Then I actually moved on and I actually made this plotter and I cut all of the pieces and I use iron. This is super easy. You're just gonna place the fabric on this board and then you're going to put your plotter above the fabric, cut out, because if this touches the hot surface it will glue on, so be very aware too when you're applying plotter that you actually just cover the pieces that you want the plotter to glue on, and then just use an iron it and then peel it off, and that is it. I did also on the bikini top as well. And this is the finishing product. Super easy. This took me only 2 hours. Very easy to create. If you want me to make the pattern, please comment below and I would love to make a pattern for you guys. I really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next. So stay tuned and see you soon again. Hej då!